Hi there, future homeowners. Did you know that your daily commute can have a massive impact on your overall satisfaction with your home and its resale value? Stick around to find out how this often overlooked factor can make or break your real estate investment. Let's dive in. I'm Grant Hackett, proud owner of Smart Sale Real Estate. For more ideas on home ownership, make sure you subscribe to this channel. When it comes to buying a home, most people focus on the number of bedrooms, the neighbourhood, and the price. But one crucial aspect that often gets pushed to the side is the commute time. Today, we're going to explore why considering your commute is essential when purchasing a home. So let's hit the road. Believe it or not, many homeowners underestimate the significant impact that commute time can have on their daily lives, the added costs brings to their weekly budget, and the future resale value of their property. A long commute can lead to increased stress levels, reduced quality of life, and ultimately lower overall happiness. It's time to start prioritising this aspect of home buying. Let's break it down for you. Let's dive deeper into how commute time affects various aspects of our life. A lengthy commute not only eats up valuable time that could be spent with family or pursuing hobbies, but also adds to our stress levels and chews through our budgets. Studies have shown that people with longer commutes are more likely to experience health issues and burnout. Additionally, a lengthy commute can limit job opportunities and social activities, impacting our overall well-being. Now, here's the kicker. A long commute doesn't just affect your daily life. It can also have a significant financial impact on your home's value. Properties located far from city centres or major employment hubs tend to have lower resale potential and slower appreciation rates. By factoring in commute time when buying a home, you're not just investing in a property, you're investing in your future financial well-being. In conclusion, it's crucial to consider your commute time when purchasing a home. By choosing a location with a shorter commute, you're not only improving your quality of life, but you're also setting yourself up for a long-term financial success. Remember, a home is more than just four walls. It's about the lifestyle it offers you. I want to hear from you. Share your experiences with commute time in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable real estate tips and insights. Until next time, happy house hunting. Grant Hackett, Smart Sale Real Estate, signing off.